many blessings. English B2. Therefore, let's talk about future plans. I am Rosa Mayra Marin, tutor Garibello. My blessing to have known my God. Quan. To have known my God. To have a family. 3. God has given me many children. Personally, God has helped me. God cured my heart or sexual abuse and give way me new heart. That's why I want fat and to project the children. My future expectations are eat high, study English and will win exam. I will be working in the happy place. I will have found many children where people laugh and lead what the Bible says. Where children might can be between hard, wild, hot, and pleased to every moment here. My future plans and will be working for children in the rural arts, transformative education. Where children my life and we will have books to everyone you have. I will see the new generation with happy and deep, and my God will be able to eat with you too. I don't know. I found one I didn't would because in reality books by life, by life, it is my God hands. Thank you very much. Speak English also. Bye bye.